Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has announced further postponement of the Chartered Accountant exams. So let's discuss the announcement made by the ICAI. So this is as of today, 2nd May 2020. It's a very important announcement, as you can see. Many students were waiting for this announcement because of the difficulties faced by them in the exam to prepare for the exams because of the lockdown. Postponement of Chartered Accountant examinations May 2020. For the foundation course examination under the new scheme, exams will now take place on the 7th of August, 9th of August, 11th of August and the 14th of August. For the intermediate IPCC course examination for the old scheme, Group 1 students, the examinations will be conducted on 30th of July, 2nd of August, 4th of August, 6th of August for Group 1, and Group 2 students 8th of August, 10th of August and 13th of August 2020. And for the new scheme students, intermediate course, the exams will be conducted as follows. Group 1, 30th July, 2nd August, 4th August, 6th August. Group 2, 8th August, 10th August, 13th August. And additional paper is that new scheme, paper number 8, which is going to be on 16th of August 2020. For the final course examination under the old scheme, the examination for Group 1 students will be on 29th of July, 31st of July, 3rd of August and 5th of August 2020. For Group 2 students under the old scheme, students in final will be on 7th of August, 9th of August, 11th of August and 14th of August 2020. For final course examination students under the new scheme, Group 1 will be on 29th of July, 31st of July, 3rd of August, 5th of August 2020, and for Group 2 students will be on 7th of August, 9th of August, 11th of August and 14th of August 2020. For the people and the members who are writing the International Trade Laws, that is ITL, and the World Trade Organization exam, WTO examination part 1, for them the Group A will be on 30th of July and 2nd of August 2020, and Group B will be on the 4th of August and 6th of August 2020. The people or the members who are going to write the International Taxation Assessment Test, INTT 80, 7th August and 9th August 2020. And it's also further written that it may be emphasized that there would be no change in the examination schedule in the event of any day of the examination schedule being declared a public holiday by the central government or any state government. So these are like basically going to be fixed dates for now. Candidates may know that two of the papers, okay, so basically for the foundation exam students, the exam timings are paper 1 and 2 3 hours and 3 and 4 will be 2 hours. Intermediate examinations, so all papers will be 3 hours, and final old scheme also all papers will be 3 hours, but final new scheme paper 1 to 5 and paper 7 and 8 will be 3 hours, but just the elective paper, only the elective paper will be 4 hours, as we all know. Post qualification courses will be of 3 hours, that is the ITL, WTO and INTT 80. All of this will be for 3 hours. So guys, thank you so much. All the best for your exams now. As you got more time, please do prepare well. You can expect a little harder paper, of course, because as you can see that the exams have been further postponed and you're getting more time. So please don't get lethargic and start reading right away. Don't stop. And people who are planning to skip the second group or planning to write only one group but they are paid for both the groups, I think this is the opportunity for all of you to maybe write both the groups. If you're prepared with one group now, I think you should go ahead and write both the groups. All the very best, guys. Wishing you all well. Hope you're all safe, stay at home, keep studying and don't get lethargic. All the best. Signing off, Aryan Shial. Bye.